In this tutorial, we will see how to use if statement and basic array in Angular 2. Let's start by creating a new template for Angular inside Plunker. First of all, let's create a new class employee, and our aim in this video will be to display data of that employee class. First, create a file employee.ts inside src folder. Our employee class will contain ID, which will be a number, and name, which will be a string. This is another way to declare variable in Angular 2, where we pass the parameters inside constructor. Also notice the use of the export keyword, which we are using here. Now we are using export to let Angular know that the class will be used at other places. Now let's switch to app.ts file. Let's import the employee class so we can use it inside app.ts. We will create a title property and initialize it to employees. Now let's modify the template to display the title property on our HTML page. Now we will declare an array called employees and populate with some employee objects. Now we will create an myEmployee variable and assign the first element of the array to it. Now we will display the myEmployee.name in the template. So now you know how to create an array and assign an element of an array to another variable. Sometimes the app should display a view or a portion of a view only under specific circumstances. This is where if directive will come in action. So now let's see how to use the if directive. In our example, we'd like to display a message if we have a large number of employees. Say if we have more than 3 employees, we'll like to display a message. The Angular if directive inserts or removes an element based on truthy or falsy condition. We can see it in action by adding the following paragraph at the bottom of the template. The template expression inside the double quotes looks much like JavaScript. When the component's list of employees has more than 3 items, Angular adds the paragraph to the DOM and the message appears. If there are 3 or fewer items, Angular omits the paragraph so no message appears. You can see the output on the left. Try it out yourself and change the number from 3 to 4, or say change it from 3 to 1 and see what happens.